Jenkins Nissan, where the deals are real. We offer bottom line pricing on over 700 new vehicles. Cruise in and find the perfect one for you. You're up for anything and always craving the next adventure. The Nissan Rogue knows exactly how you feel. So grab your friends and your gear and get out there. Choose from 3 models, the S, the SV, or the top-of-the-line SL. The Rogue's 2.5-liter engine and Xtronic constantly variable transmission combine for plenty of power and up to 33 miles per gallon. Inside, the Easy Flex second row seat splits and folds, reclines, and glides forward, even with the car seat attached. Pop the available motion-activated liftgate and stash a best-in-class 70 cubic feet of stuff. Plus, the standard class exclusive divide and hide floor keeps your valuables out of sight. Available Pro Pilot Assist takes the stress out of rush hour, matching your speed to traffic and keeping you centered in your lane. Available Intelligent Around View Monitor shows you things you wouldn't normally see. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and genuine Nissan accessories and build a Rogue that's all yours. The Nissan Rogue. Your adventure is waiting. Rest assured you will receive fast, friendly, direct, and honest pricing at Jenkins Nissan. You can contact our internet team at 888-706-2134 or visit us in person at 4401 State Road 33 North in Lakeland, Florida.